We are going to be talking about light language today because we've had a few questions about what it is. And people love the sound of it, don't they, Lucy? But they're
really
just like,
do.
what is it? What does it mean? Can I study it? Can I learn it? So we just thought that we would unpick a few questions and just explore what it means to us.
Absolutely.
So what does light language mean to you?
Oh gosh, light language means, what does it mean to me? It's a real soul connection. I would say that light language, you feel deep in your soul. And actually, a little story, I was in a shop recently saying hello to a beautiful friend, and one of her colleagues in the shop, we got to talking on the subject, and I don't believe she'd ever heard it before, actually. I think that was the first time her ever hearing light language. And she felt she felt it really deep down. I'm putting my hand here because, it really does cause a bit of an emotional response the first time you hear it.
I mean, just you saying that's making me need to breathe
away.
more deeply and kind of, because it does.
It really does.